Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this approved used Defender 110 3.0 D250 HSE. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Carpathian grey metallic paint. To start off with, then, you have your matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have keyless entry, which is brilliant for allowing you to lock or unlock the vehicle even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need it. And as we open up the boot, you can see that you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase. You also have your deployable tow bar controls, which allows you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan for those weekend getaways. Moving to the rear seats, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, which are ideal for small children's car seats. Moving to the front, you can find your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 35,224 miles. However, this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Including with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps or perhaps just listen to your own music. Once again, you have your tow bar controls, allowing you to deploy or stow away the tow bar from within the comfort of the cabin. Your 4x4 information, weight sensing and terrain response info. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on. The front seats in this vehicle are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones, and this is paired with a dual zone climate control. This has been a presentation on the Defender 110 3.0 D250 HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.